guys, welcome back to the channel. We are coming to you guys live. What do you have here, sir?
Open that corn real quick. Colorblind, so it's yellow, right?
Yeah, that's yellow. It looks like E85. Now that's diesel. So we're here at the gas station right now. Me and Carlos are actually gonna be doing.
Do me a favor,
dude,
bro.
rude.
Please.
Rude.
I got 255s all around.
Rude.
I don't got no 3.
Oh yeah, bro. You better pray to the gods for traction. Can we find her tonight? Anyways, guys, I forgot to tell you, we are gonna be driving Carlos's car tonight. We're gonna do a little point of view, kind of like the last one you guys saw, the last point of view drive, which was a day one, but we're gonna be doing a night one tonight. Anyways, guys, like I said, we're gonna go on a little point of view drive right now. We're gonna go take the Shelby, Carlos's car right now. I'm gonna hop in his car afterwards. I'm not sure where we're gonna stop at yet, but it should be fun, guys. Ooh, I heard that. Start up the race car. Vroom! You heard that? Super loud, I know. Put it in track mode. Put it in comfort, steering wheel, turn on the headlights. Oh my God. All right, guys, we are back in the GT350. We're gonna see how this thing, definitely no traction tonight. I don't. Okay, so another thing I'm gonna tell you guys right now about the GT350s. We have such wide tires on the front of this car. Like I have 305s on the front. The tram lining on this car is insane. Like I wish I could show you guys. Like I'm not doing anything to my steering wheel right now, and it is pulling me left to right. So that's one thing. You guys got to be very, very aware and cautious when you drive a GT350. I haven't noticed it in the GTs, but then again, I haven't drove many GTs. I drive this thing all the time, but it is pretty bad in this car. So that's something to keep in mind. If you are driving with one hand, make sure that hand's gripping the steering wheel like pretty good, like, because this car will throw you all over the road sometimes. As horrible and weird as that sounds, like, I'm just letting you guys know right now. It's really weird going from a car that used to have power steering to a car that has E-Pass. I don't know if you guys know what that is. Electronic power assist steering. So it's all synthetic. It's not that real feel that you would get in like older cars, you know? There he is. So yeah, guys, we are actually going to be driving Carlos's car later. I don't know if I'm going to be using the GoPro in it. Maybe not. Another thing, guys, if you have a stock Shelby GT350, as far as exhaust valves go, when you put the car in 6th gear, it automatically closes the exhaust valves. Reason why it does that is to get rid of any droning coming from the vehicle like it does in 5th gear. So that's why they do that for 6th gear, because at a lower RPM, that's when your car wants to drone a little bit. And yeah, they do that. You can buy an aftermarket. It's like a little, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like a sensor thing that goes inside of there. The burbles sound really good, I will give it that. The downshift, oh, look at you. You got a little light show going on, bud. That boy bringing the club. As it is, this thing just bites the road sometimes. My God. Now we are in downtown Long Beach, guys. My hands are cold. I did roll the windows down a bit because I thought the GoPro was getting a little hot. I don't know why. GoPro has this thing where they're like, yeah, let's just make the quality of everything badass, but we're gonna let these things overheat still. Like, we're on the 12. Guys, we're on the 12. Yeah, it gets a little warm, guys. That's the only downfall on this thing. Otherwise, everything else, no complaints. No complaints. He has no idea where I'm taking him right now. I'm supposed to drive his car. I think I might do that right now. Not 100% sure yet, but we're about to see. Oh, you guys can't see it? Maybe you can. I have this imprint on my forehead. You really can't see it right now. Carlos! I have this imprint on my forehead right now. Can you see it? Barely. Look to your left. That's where I did my photo shoot. That's the spot. Yeah. Look the same or what?
A little different.
Bro, that car just had to ruin my vibe on the first bridge.
Oh, I saw that.
You see, brake checked me? Oh my God, dude. You guys like the orange better or the ruby red? I know she's hard to see at night. She'd be looking like Batman, but what do you guys think? The ruby red or the orange? By the way, guys, this is a secret spot right here. This is a little photo shoot spot. Super chill spot. Oh, that guy got a hood scoop on the Camry. All right, guys, help a brother out. He's deciding right now. He likes mine, like how my lights are. See how my bottom fogs? His are different. His are orange, and then it's got a fog in there. But I told him when he's following me, it looks sick. Like, dude, it looks pretty menacing when you're following me. I'm not gonna lie. All right, guys, we're gonna let Carlos drive my car right now. I'm gonna take my camera so we can get some rollers on my car. See what I'm saying? I just told them that I'm gonna let you drive my car so I can get rollers of my own car.
Bro,
damn.
you're gonna see your car on the road.
Looking crazy.
Now you're gonna see what I see.
And then
none of that. You're gonna see what I see, and I'm gonna see what you see.
You're gonna see the fastest carrot just
quiet.
Stealth mode, right? Stealth mode. Guys, we love it. We're not making fun of Carlos. We're just, we're laughing with him. We love Carlos, guys. You guys love Carlos, right? Against Stilo. Don't forget to like and subscribe to his channel as well, guys. That's my boy. Hey, give me the keys, dude. That's why it's honking.
You about to take
Give me the keys. That's why it's honking right now.
Wait, dude, I want to make my thumbnail here.
My keys are in my car. Dude, I was wondering why I was honking. I was like, wait, he must have the keys. Oh, Carlos, why are we sitting in the dash, my friend? Oh, how do we move this? Yeah, no, that's a no-go. That's much better. Carlos, you were sitting in the dash, my friend. That's better now.
We die like men here.
Little bit better way.
Gotcha.
Why is the check engine light on?
What the fuck? Don't do that, bro. Don't do that.
Look weird, huh? A little pony on here. God, that is so quiet, Carlos. He's got blind spot monitoring.
I hate him.
You got blind spot monitoring, dude.
Huh?
You got blind spot monitoring.
You got it like that, bro.
I hate, bro, not all of us can be bougie and afford nice things like you.
Yeah,
Carlos, have a digital dash, look at, no exhaust valves?
You don't want to get pulled over, bro.
Canceled. Like, can I do anything cool? Like, what does this pony do? Oh, my mode track app. No, I don't need any of that. No. How? Guys, How do I, oh. Normal, Sport Plus. Is that it? I guess that's it. All right, we're gonna rock it. All right guys, so this is super awkward. I had it in photo, I took a photo and I thought I was recording for the past, I'm gonna say 10 minutes. I've been talking to myself in the car. Literally hyped about the rev matching it has, everything. And come to find out, I wasn't even recording. That's just awkward. That is so awkward. Here comes Carlos. Oh, look at my beauty. Damn. Woo. She purty. Dude, you want to know something funny? So I'm talking the whole time for like 10 minutes. I looked down and I was like, all I did was take a picture. I didn't even start recording. I was gonna push this car a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. I was kind of curious to see how it handled. But we have some people in front of us. All in all, guys, if you guys are in the market for a GT, not even a GT350, just a GT, I think this is a 21 that Carlos has. It's got 15,000 miles on it now. I absolutely love this car. I think this is a great buy. It's got rev matching, everything. Like, I think the rev matching just really makes this car, in my opinion. The Mach 1 has it. I wish my car had it. Like, hate on me all you guys want, but I actually really like the rev matching on the car. It's kind of weird looking at the RPMs with it going directly across rather than in an analog. I don't mind it. I know you can change it on here. I'm not really gonna get into all the settings on this car while I'm driving, but I don't mind it. It's all right. It's just throwing me off going from what I am used to into this. Steering wheel feels a little looser, but I only think it feels like that because of the skinnier tires that are on this car, because it's not, you know, 325 on the rear and 305s in the front like my car. Yeah, it's got a nice pull to it. Like I said, without an exhaust, you can't really tell how much power this car actually has. It's very, very quiet from the factory. It's got a nice little growl to it on the bottom end. It's not too bad. Blind spot monitoring system is very, very, very useful as well. Oh, I'm at 4,500 RPM. So quiet, I can't tell. Like, that's already miles per hour undisclosed, but this car has a nice pickup to it. It's really, you really can't tell. Oh, that crackle never gets old. So this is that part. Okay, so now I get to see his car compared to my car. Now my car would have been jumping all over the road right now. It's crazy. Okay, so it is the really wide tires on my car, because this car is not dragging or pulling left to right whatsoever like my car normally does. And that is crazy, because it is bad in my car. Like, I don't even have to hold the steering wheel. Granted, I am, because there's a car on my right, but that's wild. I will say this car is a lot easier and more comfortable to drive. My car, you kind of have to be a little bit more on edge and be paying attention more. Why is everybody flying past me so fast? Yeah, my car, you have to be like paying attention a little bit more. Okay, I feel the body roll. The tires do feel softer than mine are on the turn, that's for sure. But I definitely do feel a little bit of body roll compared to mine on that turn. But it's not bad. It's actually a lot better around the turn than I thought it was going to be. Not bad, not bad. I'll take it. I'll take it. His blinker's a lot quieter. I do like that feature. I wish you could do that with mine. Maybe you can. I don't think you can. Mine's like kind of loud. God, that is... Oh. It's such an easy car to drive. Why is it so easy? Why? I love it. Well, guys, that was the drive in the GT. What'd you guys think? Guys, no. Oh my, Carlos. It's bad, bro. No, it's bad, dude. It is so bad, guys. Oh my God, it is horrible. Yeah, dude, it was a fun drive. This car is very comfortable. I should probably grab my phone. This car is very comfortable, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I highly recommend you guys getting a GT. If you guys are in the market for a GT350 and you just aren't convinced that a GT350 is gonna be a good buy, I highly recommend a GT. Carlos, my lights, bud, my lights. Yeah, I highly recommend a GT, guys. They are they're very nice. Yours is a 21, right?
Yeah, 21.
Yeah, I like this car a lot. This is a very, very fun car, and I highly recommend it for you guys. Anyways, guys, we are gonna end the vlog on that. It's probably gonna be a super long vlog. I might segment it off into like 2 videos. I have no idea yet, but I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching all the videos. 2024, guys, we are gonna be coming back with a lot more videos. Like, I'm gonna be coming in with at least 3, maybe 4 videos a week. We're gonna be pushing it really hard, guys. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already done so. Turn on those post notifications. Follow me on IG. I always have my IG down there on the bottom as well. And I will see you guys all in the next vlog, guys. Peace.